real stars, huh? Now, so first of all, okay, this is Dave and Eva. So first I make one not characters. It's very simple circle with any animal's character from Dave and Eva. Okay, and then ways to go other characters. Okay, so suppose to there is a very funny characters. Okay, here some meow. We can do this meow. Okay, so meow have is a this is a cat actually, have the doggy. Okay, so we are making this pumpkins. Okay, there's lots of character over there, so we can make it first this character is a piggy also is there. Okay, so you can make the piggy also. Okay,
So what is this movie?
this movie is actually YouTube series. It's not movie. Okay, so let's start the drawing. First, I make it from this movie. First, make it a circle. Okay, so do the circle first. Very simple. Don't worry. First, make circle. Okay, make a circle. Nice circle. Okay, it should be very nice circle. You can do first. Okay, Vedushi, please draw it a circle. Done. Make circle. Try. Aram se.
Done.
Done. Okay. Okay. Fine. After that, it's very simple. I just make it one thing. I just make it one line over here, one line over here, and I create one line over here. This is almost straight. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, like this. Simple. 1, 2, like this. Okay.
So done.
Okay. Now the next tips is that we just make it here one circle like this. Very simple circle like this. 1 and 2 like this. Okay. Done?
Done.
Okay. Done that much? Now, slowly. Okay, don't do fast. I just create one thing here. Okay. I just make here one oval, like little oval like this. Okay. Little oval like this. Make oval. Okay. Oval like this. Shape oval shape. Make the oval. Okay, like this. Okay, आराम से. And after the draw this oval, you just erasing this line, previous circle. No need to the previous circle. So its shapes come like this. आराम से. Okay, so its shapes like this. Okay, like this. Here little oval here also. Okay, it's look like this. Erase the previous circle. Okay, erase the previous circle. So now I just make it here one. It's at the middle of this circle now, this line. You just make it, yes beta.
Sir, it's okay. I did which I am showing.
Please show beta, please show. Please show beta. Yeah, nice. Nice Devanshi.
It is okay.
It's okay beta. It's okay. Now make it here like this. Do like this, okay? Pujit, you understood now, beta? Now?
Sir, it is from the Coco Matata, but you are saying Coco Matata from the lion.
No, beta. It's the yes. This is same type of. No, this is from this. Dev and Eva. This is the series, the rhyme series. Make its ear like one oval. Make ear from here. Make one oval. Aram se make one oval, and then another. This is curve. Okay, as simple. Okay, आराम से. One oval. See, like one oval, like this. Big oval. Okay, and you must erase this oval inside the mouth. Okay, yeah, you can make other side, upper hand. Very simple. Make the oval like this. Yes, beta.
We can make the pig's leg with our imagination.
Okay, you can. I make over here 1, 2, 3. Yes, down, beta. Sure. Okay. Still it's down. No? Yeah. Make the pig leg like this. Okay, very simple. So I make its outline so you can see properly with the marker. Okay, how to make the piggy? The based on the movie, not movie, the names, nursery names, Dev and Eva. Take time. Very simple. आराम से बेटा. See, very funny and loving piggy. Eating something. Okay, you can make something bucket over here. Okay, you can add something like this, your own. Okay, like this, like this, like this. Okay, take time. आराम से. Okay. So take time and make your best.
So,
Yes, beta.
sir, I don't have plans for now. So can I make with pink sketch?
Sure, sure, sure.
So can I make with pink sketch?
Yeah, you can, beta. You can. Vidushi can show your drawing. Vidushi. Pujit, can you show your drawing after that? Finish your drawing. Wow, nice, Vidushi. You just make your drawing little down, no? No problem. Next drawing, start with the middle. Okay. This is the A4 page. Try to make middle. Okay. Very nice, beta. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Done. आराम से. After that, I erasing this pencil, all pencil drawing. Okay, and I start the color. First, finish this one. Basically, this color. Yeah, make it a little plastins. आराम से. Okay, try to color is not going outside. This is the one and only. Try to maintain. Okay. I not tell anything, but try not going color outside. That is okay. Then this looks good only. First, make the full of one color. Okay, one color only. And after that, we are making little bit of shading. Okay, little bit of shading with a brown sienna. This is the brown sienna color I'm using. Okay, it's a little shading. Okay, you can use the tissue paper. Hello. Hello? Woody? Okay, tell me. No, still not making it. No.
Sir, this pink.
Like this?
You colored with the orange, so it will not look good because the pink color I colored with pink color it will not see good. So can I color it with pink?
Yes.
So
Yes, beta, you can.
so this drawing I bordered with pink color, so it will not look good if I color with orange. So can I color with pink?
Okay, beta. pink you can put. Better if you put the Bransina, brown. Okay, but if you want to pick, you can do it.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
your audio is not very clear. Have
Uh,
you trouble understanding?
Okay. Just 1 second. This is 1 minute. Thank you for. Now it's little good, no? I just changed the sound. Just a minute. Settings. Settings. USB. Sound. USB.
Sir, which color to use?
3D power. Wait. Just a second, ma'am. Now is it more clear?
Much better, much better.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. This color is flesh tint. It's a flesh tint color, like this color. Skin color. And the shading I'm using, Bransina. It is you call Bransina. Okay, this is the Bransina. This is a brown actually. It's chocolate color like that.